Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change audio language on YouTube videos in just a few simple steps. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile. Here, I've already searched for a video.
At one point in time, around 3 billion years ago, we were floating around.
As you can see, the current language of this video is English. Now I'll show you how to change it. Tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Tap on Audio Track. Here you'll find different languages. Select the one you want to watch the video in. I'll select French to see if the language changes.
Minuscules atomes dans la petite boîte de pétri qu'était le monde.
As you can see, the video language is now in French. Now I'll change it to German and show you. We'll repeat the same process.
Tausende vergingen, bis vor 6 Millionen Jahren die ersten Anzeichen.
And as you can see, the video is now in German. This feature is not yet available on all YouTube channels, but it's gradually rolling out and will be available to all creators, big or small. And that's it, how to change audio language on YouTube videos. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.